Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel. Every day we have a reading from the Jamaican New Testament, and today I'm going to read one of my favorite passages from John chapter 4, verse 7 to verse 14. Now, one Samaritan woman come to draw water from out of the well. So Jesus asked her, say, beg for some water for drink. That time there, him follower them they gang and buy food in the town. So now the Samaritan woman said to Jesus, say, you are one Jew, and me I want Samaritan woman. Oh you fi dey ask me fi give you water for drink. She says so, car the Jew them name mix and mingle with Samaritan people. Jesus answer and say, if you didn't know about this special sitting where God give, if you didn't know who they ask you for water, you would have asked him for water, and him would have give it and make you live one new sort of life. So she said to him, say, but sir, I've no bucket for take draw water. Plus, the well deep. So, at which part you going get that kind of water there where you are talk about? You bigger than we father Jacob. We give it a well yeah, and we all drink water from out it. Him boy picnic them, and he animal them. So Jesus tell her, say, everybody we drink water from out of that well yeah, when get thirsty again. But anybody will drink the water when me give him, nah go thirsty again. You see, the kind of water when me a go give him, when turn one spring in him, one when not tap run, and we cause him to live forever. A God what this. Thank God.